capoeira called Parafuso. So we're going to do it traditionally from the center. You can do it from a stance, it doesn't matter, you're just stepping over, nothing changes. So from center position the traditional way, we're going to step over. My hip is going to go full facing. From here, the weight's on the back leg, it comes across like a crescent and I'm jumping. So here, crescent and jump. So it's crescent, and then the other leg meets it. This is just like the tornado kick, except the first leg is a crescent kick. And you can get it as high or as low as you want, doesn't matter. So here, you don't have to do this move high to practice it, you just gradually bring up the legs. Here, crescent, the other crescent kick, inside crescent kick, meets it. So it's boom, boom, boom. This is a lot like the 540 where you're landing on the kicking leg, but this is a lot safer because you're landing on both legs. One of the tricks with the Parafuso is landing on both feet at the same time. So we're stepping over, crescent, the other one catches it, and I'm landing at the same time. Around, yes, that's exactly right, and that's the motion I want you to see because as you do that, you just gradually bring your kicks higher. Crescent, crescent, delay, landing both at the same time. Now this isn't a move I would recommend for a combat situation, though my teacher did try it, almost hit the guy. This is more of a flashy technique for fun, so we're just going to skip the application. If you do want to try it, just throw it, I guess, at somebody. Yeah, don't listen to me, which is scary because I'm teaching you.